Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this exciting episode we will see 3 ways that we can get a unique list of items when we have many duplicates in a list. In this scenario we have a list of check-in and check-out for employees. As we can see by clicking and going control down arrow, we have 2052 rows of data. How can we find out what the unique list is? Let's try 3 ways. Remove duplicates, pivot table, and a formula. For remove duplicates, we'll select the first cell, press Control, Shift, down arrow, Control C to copy, Control Home to jump back up to the top, select our cell where we'd like to paste it, paste our entire list, then go to Data, and remove duplicates. It's selected the right range for us, press OK, and we see that we have 19 unique values. Let's try the same thing with a pivot table. Select one cell, insert, pivot table, existing worksheet. We're going to head and put it right there. And just drag employee name down to rows. And just like that, we have a unique list of employees. If you're using Microsoft 365, you have a new function called unique. We can call that by typing equals unique, selecting our range that has our duplicates, enter, Control Home to jump back up to the top, and we can see again we got our unique list of values. The advantage of using a formula is that if this table was to update with a new person, we'll see the formula updates as well. However, the pivot table and remove duplicates would need to be updated manually. Thank you for watching. We hope this helps. Please be sure to like and subscribe.